Off the store time. I haven't done this and I don't think I did out of store, but I didn't do the upstairs. Well, I don't know. I suck. Well, who cares about that? Take two. Okay, we're gonna do an off store now. Take three. You want? Okay. Repeat. So you ready to see? 3, 2, 1. This is where I store all my equipment for gaming, all my equipment for more vlogs that are coming up soon. Welcome to where I record my stuff. Welcome. It's kind of a big mess up here. I don't know why this monster cup. I don't know where my mom puts cups. I have lots of. I'm from Saskatoon, so this is how I know that. And if you don't know, just let me put the camera down because this is my room and I don't. If you don't know, Tommy's actually my name's Tommy, but that's actually my nickname. My real name is, you get it right here. This is my real name. Tom. So I wear this every time I do stuff. I'm gonna have to wear it now to doing something. Well, yeah, this is what I do most of the time. I have my gaming chair, I have my globe, I have my LED light that actually is kind of really sick. You can see here, what's this? This actually, you can change the colors. Oh yeah, I forgot, there's a light up here. So I can go bend up and forth. You can also make it the brightest and the dimmest. This is the dimmest. But if we hold this down for 2 seconds, it switches. But then I hold it down again. So cool, but this is going to be like a short video because I need to upload something because I haven't uploaded in a while. So yeah, I'm going to end my video off here. My bad reason though, and I just want to thank you guys because 30 subscribers was not even my milestone. Milestone is like 1. Thank you guys for getting me that. I'm going to do some awesome things because of that. And we're going 40 mil. Well, I want to go to 40 mil. See you guys next time.